Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do a simple origami sunflower. For this I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper. We need two sheets of paper for this particular model. First I'll be keeping the white side on the top and I'll be creating a door base. For that, first I have to fold it into half. Then bring two edges to the center crease. Now open it and do the door base again horizontally. Open the paper and now you have to flip it over. Then do the Blins base. That means you are bringing all the four corners to the center point. These are the pre-creasings to create the windmill base. For that you have to bring two sides to the center crease like this. Hold in the center point like this and squash it down. This is called windmill base. You can see four squares on the top like this. So you have to bring these two sides of the square to the center line. Do the same thing on all four sides. Now fold this small triangle towards back and make a crease. Same thing on all four sides. Now you have to open the small triangle and bring the sides to the center crease, and this is called petal folding. So you have to do the petal fold to all the four sides. Now one module is done. We have to make similar one more module by following the same steps. You can open these triangles, then keep the other module, then fix it like this. So before fixing, we can color the center of the sunflower. After this, you can take little bit glue and put it on all the four triangles and little bit in the center also. Then keep the other module, then lock it like this. So the origami sunflower is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.